I'm sure you've heard the news. Digital marketing is evolving fast. Don't get left behind. Let's explore the top tips for 2024. First up, automation is your best friend. Tools from HubSpot can handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on building relationships. Next, content is king. Make sure your content strategy hits the mark with targeted messages reaching the right audience. Neil Patel says optimizing for SEO and SEM is no longer optional, it's essential. And don't forget about social media and email marketing to keep your audience engaged. Google's got us covered with AI and machine learning. Use AI for ad targeting and performance max campaigns to get the best bang for your buck. Privacy is key, so ensure your ads respect user data. And let's not overlook emerging trends like voice search and hyper-personalization. Tailor your messages to customer behavior for maximum impact. Stay ahead by using these insights from HubSpot, Neil Patel, and Google. Adapt, innovate, and watch your business thrive in 2024. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.